When your TalkTalk box won't turn on or show any lights, don't panic. This is one of the most common technical issues, affecting about 15 to 20% of customers. Let's work through the solution systematically. We'll go through 4 essential troubleshooting steps. Each step builds on the previous one, starting with the simplest checks and moving to more advanced diagnostics. Step 1. Check all connections. Ensure the power cable is firmly connected to both your TalkTalk box and the wall outlet. Sometimes cables can work loose over time. Try plugging into a different outlet to rule out socket issues. Step 2. Perform a visual inspection. Look carefully at your power cable for any visible damage. Check for cuts, kinks, bent connectors, or areas where the cable might have been damaged by pets or furniture. Step 3. Test the power adapter. This is the most common culprit, responsible for about 40% of no power issues. If you have a multimeter, test the voltage output. Alternatively, try a known working adapter with the same specifications. Step 4. Check environmental factors. Ensure your TalkTalk box has proper ventilation and isn't placed in an enclosed cabinet. Overheating can damage internal components like capacitors, leading to power failures. Remove any dust buildup from ventilation slots. Following these 4 steps resolves about 60% of no power issues immediately. Of the remaining cases, 70% are fixed by replacing the power adapter. This gives you an 88% success rate using these troubleshooting methods. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your TalkTalk box power issues, we need to move to advanced diagnostic techniques and prevention strategies. First, try a proper power cycle. This involves completely disconnecting your TalkTalk box from power for exactly 30 seconds, which allows internal capacitors to fully discharge and resets the power management system. If the power cycle doesn't work, attempt a factory reset. This restores the device to its original settings and can resolve firmware-related power management issues. For persistent issues, use a multimeter to test your power adapter. This advanced diagnostic technique can identify if the adapter is providing the correct voltage output, typically 12 volts for most TalkTalk devices. Prevention is key to avoiding future power issues. Regular maintenance includes cleaning dust from ventilation areas, ensuring proper airflow, using surge protectors, and avoiding overloaded power strips. TalkTalk is continuously improving their hardware with better power management systems and surge protection. If these advanced fixes don't resolve your issue, contact TalkTalk support. Most power-related problems are resolved within 72 hours, and the company is enhancing their remote diagnostic capabilities.